guys, welcome back to my channel, Gillette Joie de Vivre. On today's video, I got a quick home update for you guys. I've got some new furniture that came in, some cool home decor items that I'm hoping you guys will love, so check out this video. Okay, so the first item I want to show you guys is in my formal living room. If you guys want more details about my formal living room, you can check out my formal living room reveal video, because in there I go into more details about everything in the room. But today I just want to show you this really awesome pillows, these throw pillows that are so fun. So here they are, and it comes in a boucle, if you can see that detail. You see the texture there. So they come in the boucle as well as a velvet. Let me grab it, as well as a velvet material. There you have them. Hopefully it's not too blurry, you can see it. So this is like the velvet one that's pretty smooth. And so the way I've been styling it, let me just show you guys. So the way I've been styling them is just putting two together on one side, and then just one that's solo. Soleil absolutely loves them. She just jumps on them and plays with them, and it's just so fun for her. But I just love the style and how it just completes the curved, you know, theme that's going on in this room, with like the, you know, sofa being all curved, and then adding like, you know, circular pillows as well. It just really, in my opinion, I think completes the room, and even ties in very well, I think, with the swivel chairs here. I really think this room is now officially complete, well, apart from getting art that needs to go right there, and that's just taking me so long to find something to go right here on this wall. But apart from the art piece that will be coming at some point in time, I do think this room is pretty much done. And loving how everything is really curved in. You know, like it seems like it's creating this illusion where everything is like curving in on each other, which creates like a great conversation, you know, statement. So I purchased the pillows off Tove. I think that's how you say Tove Furniture, or TOV Furniture. Anyway, that's where I found them, and actually saw them on Overstock as well. So I'll link everything if you guys want to check those out. But another way that I've been styling it is like splitting them up for sure. So let me show you how that looks. Okay, so going into more details about the balls, I have two. Like the two small ones are 9 inches. So if you guys are looking to order them, this is the 9-inch size ball. And then the other large one here is a 14, yeah, I believe it's 14 inches. I'll link everything, of course, to make sure you guys get the right sizes. But I'm pretty sure, yeah, I went with 2 9s and one 14-inch ball. So yeah, so this is the 14-inch one. This is a 14-incher. Check that out for size. Almost as big as my belly. So I actually got this piece, again, in the neutral minimal design. It's showing up more red than it really is. I'm trying to get the coloring to be right, but it's really showing quite reddish, but it's really actually just very tan, like in real life. So I'll link it so you guys can see it. So these come in a set of 2. They're from Target. I can't remember how much they were, but I think they weren't too bad at all. It was like probably 2 for like 70 bucks. But let me go show you the other one just right down here. Okay, the lighting is absolutely awful. I'm gonna try to have to fix this in post, but there's the other one here that goes with the other one. So it comes in a 2, like a matching set. And this vase is from Amazon as well. And the last one I want to show you guys is this hand towel, which I think works so well with the room. I hope the color isn't going to be too thrown off because it's super yellowy, but just really liking the vibe of these 3 all working together. And this is the scent that I'm loving. It's in here. This aromatherapy or from Aroma. I put it in a diffuser and it just smells like a hotel. You guys have to try this scent. It is just so luxurious. It just feels like you're at some hotel, like hotel lobby or something. So I use it in the bathroom here and I set it into this, I pour it just here, then I light it just to diffuse it that way, just with like a tea light diffuser. It comes with like this marble print. And another way that I do diffuse it is in my diffuser itself. And I add a little bit of water and a few drops of this, and it does a really good job. So this is the actual diffuser that I use with the Aroma. I just put a few drops, like I put a cup of water in here and just like a few drops because it's really strong. So you guys really don't want to use too much of this because it really can like fill up your whole, a big space. And I just put it in here and turn it on, and that's about it. And the mist just gets going. Oh, there you go. So there you can see the mist going. And it just smells like a spa, like a hotel spa. I really like this diffuser because you can kind of set it for the amount of time you want it to go for. If you want it to go for like an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, you can set it. And it has different lighting, like light, but I definitely don't do that. Use the light option to it, but I'm mostly just like setting it for the timer so that I'll know it'll go for, so many light options, can it turn off? There we go. So I mostly just use it for the timer, so I set it to go for like an hour or however long, and it just turns off on its own. So I love it for that option. Okay, moving things outside now. I want to show you guys the update for our patio. Hopefully you guys checked out my previous videos of how I painted this patio floor, and I even did cement on it. It's not fully done yet. I still have to do back there. As you can see, I'll show you guys that in a little bit. But the little covered patio area here, this area is done. We finally got some furniture came in. We still are waiting for the larger sofa sized outdoor furniture to come in, but the two chairs came in already from Cb2. But I think next week I'm gonna get the large 3-seater, like the sofa sized outdoor chair. Big reveal for the patio will come soon, but for right now I just want to show you guys the update. So I'm loving the rug. It works so well with the chairs. It's actually interesting because filming and showing you guys this right now, the chair color is actually showing off quite gray, but in person there's more of a tan to it. Maybe I can throw in a video from my camera, like my iPhone, so you can see that it's actually more of a tan than a gray that it's appearing. There is gray, you know, there is gray flecks to it for sure, but there's a lot of brown and neutrals in it as well that that the rug brings out more of. So here we have both of them right there, and I do want to change these rocks here. I'm not really feeling this like lava rock style. I want to put something a little bit more, maybe just black, something a little bit more not so rocky looking, something a little bit more clean and a little bit more like sophisticated. This looks too like I don't know, I'm just not liking the colors. Just like one color, you know, just all black, just to give that more neutral feel as well. I was so in the groove, like when I did the cement and when I painted this, oh, I was just so in the groove, and I was like, I'm gonna finish this off like in 2 days, just gonna knock it out. Like, you know, when you start doing a project, you just get so into it. But then we had in-laws and like family came in town for 10 days, and then I had the baby gender reveal, so that was another week. So like the last time I did this was 2 weeks ago, so now it's so hard to get back into this project. But I know I'm gonna finish it, and I know I wanna like have it finished hopefully before the couch comes. But you know, when you take a break from a project, it's just like so hard to get back into the groove, because when I first did this, I was like, yes, it's done, it's gonna be done in like 3 days. Nah, 2 weeks later, 3 weeks later actually, we're still here. But let me show you what else I still have to do. Okay, so here, this is where I've painted up till. So I still have to lay cement to level this all out. You guys remember that if you saw that video. So I still got to level this all out with cement all throughout all of these. So 1, 2, 3, it goes and it goes. And then doing this back patio. So yeah, I still got to put all the cement down there. And then we got to paint. So yeah, I just need to get into it, just hop on it, because the more I'm like procrastinating, the harder it is to get back into it. But yeah, so that's what's next. Okay guys, so that is it for today's video. Thank you for checking out this home updates I have going on now. I'll keep you guys posted. Hopefully next video I have for you is the big reveal for the outdoor patio. So come on back for that one, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.